Looks familiar. A meeting where no one is really engaged. What if there was a different way, where people can take part in a meeting rather than just attend it? Open your mind to the possibility of a true collaboration system, where everyone can connect in real time, share ideas, and solve business problems using live data. Think bigger, much bigger. Imagine if we could bring the whole organization together, break out of the room, and think outside the box. So no matter where you are, you can be part of the discussion and the solution. This is collaboration like you've never seen before, across teams and across the world. Now you can join in. Share the whole conversation or just a specific item. Have you ever been that lone telephone voice trying to participate in a room full of people? Now you can have a voice and operate on the big picture. Whatever you want to say will immediately be seen by all. Business works in real time, and so should collaboration. This is the future of work. This is Canvus Connect from MultiTaction.